How to fix Facebook story not showing problem. So first what we can do is to check if our Facebook app is up to date. So to do that, let's head on to the App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android. Let's click on the search icon at the bottom right hand corner and let's search for Facebook through the search bar. Now let's tap on Facebook right over here, and to check if it is up to date, we can focus on this button right here. If it says open like on mine, that means that your Facebook is currently up to date and you're good to go. However, if it shows an update option, you have to click on that because that means that your Facebook is currently outdated, and updating it will help you fix all the bugs within the app, which can cause the Facebook stories not showing on your side. Now, if that does not work, we can go to our settings right here, click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and let's search for Facebook right here and tap on it and click on Offload App and upload once again. So uploading the app will basically clear the cache and hopefully restart some internal files of the Facebook app and help fix this bug. So after you have uploaded it, just reinstall the app and see if that fixes the problem. And the next step that we can do is to go back to the settings page. And from here, to scroll down at the very bottom, and you should be able to see a list of your apps. So just find Facebook right here. Here it is. So just tap on that and make sure that you have allowed Facebook to access your photos, your microphone, and your camera, because that might cause the story is not showing on your app. Now, once you have done that, you can go back to your Facebook app and see if those steps fixes your problem and you are now able to see stories within the app. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.